Hi everyone, I just wanted to go over 5 updates that you can do on your home to increase its value. Now, this is a low inventory market, so there's not a lot that sellers need to do in order to get ready for market. However, these 5 things can help you get the highest amount for your home. Firstly is the kitchen. Doing little things can go a long way. Replacing the hardware. If you need to update your appliances, that's always a big deal, especially in the first-time home buyer market, is knowing that they can move into a home and not have to replace the appliances. So getting energy efficient ones. That also helps with the marketability. Other things to consider, possibly painting the cabinets if they're chipped, or resurfacing if it's in the budget. You really don't have to do a lot. It goes a long way. Next up is the bathrooms. Recaulking or regrouting around the tub, because no one wants to come in and see black grout in a white bathroom. Well, unless the grout's supposed to be black. Anyways, making sure that leaky faucets are taken care of prior to, and then also bringing in the light. So either repainting, giving a fresh coat of paint, and then increasing the size of the mirror, or replacing the mirrors entirely. If you have a builder grade mirror, you definitely want to go for a framed look. Those are key updates that are really inexpensive and they go a long way. Next up is outdoor living. This is North Carolina. We're going to spend 11 months out of the year going in and out of our homes. So having either a paver patio with some seating, possibly a fire pit, or increasing the size of your deck, those are always things that go a long way in this area. It's some of the most important spaces in our home are actually outside. Next up is curb appeal. So when you're going to a friend's house, when you're going to see people, you're looking for the street numbers. The street numbers are huge when you're selling your home. You want to make sure that on the mailbox you can clearly read the street number, or if it's on the home. Next up is to make sure that the lawn is mowed, the landscaping is tidy. Pressure washing your home is huge, especially after pollen season, which we just got through. Making sure that that's all taken care of. Next up is the floors. You want to make sure that you have professionally cleaned the carpets if you're going to market. If you don't need to replace them, if you need to replace them, go ahead and get those ordered, because it's taking a couple weeks at this point. Then refinishing any hardwoods if you've had animals that have scratched them up. LVP is a huge option right now. These are things that we can discuss to make sure that you're getting the best ROI on your home. So this is just 5 quick and dirty tips. If you want any more, or if you have any questions about what your home is valued, please give me a call. I'm always here to help. Talk to you soon.